title of this mini podcast is Back Time Your Life. I realized recently that getting dinner on the table is all about back timing. Funny thing is, it's a skill I learned in broadcasting and not in a cooking class. You figure out what takes the longest, start that first, and work your way down. For example, if the chicken takes 33 minutes to cook and the string beans take 17, you start the chicken. Wait for the timer to hit 17, then fire up the beans. Everything finishes together. Simple. But wasn't so simple? Back timing my life. Maybe you missed that class too. We all have a rough idea of how long we're going to live. If you don't, check with an actuary. Sure, you could trip over a Dixie cup lid tomorrow or make it to 100, but you have a ballpark estimate. Subtract your current age from that number, and you've back-timed your life. That part's easy. The real question is, how do you want to spend the time you have left? A lot of people go straight to the bucket list. Things I want to do before I die. Nothing wrong with that, but the focus on things can distract us from what we actually want, to feel alive in the moments we already have. If you need something outside yourself to feel alive, you're chasing a moving target. Imagine a tree that needs to go to the Rainforest Cafe every Friday just to feel alive. If it misses a week, it thinks it's just dead wood. Nothing wrong with Friday nights out, but if your aliveness depends on them, you've already given it away. So how do we get it back? Stop the chase. Stop the noise. The aliveness of life is already baked in. You just need enough quiet to notice it. Because if you're expecting your bucket list to fill you up, remember this. That bucket has a hole in it. Take a moment to back time your life. Not to panic, but to wake up how alive you can feel right now. Otherwise, you'll just give your focus to things until you kick the bucket. All the best, John.